What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Palettes and Gardening Edition. You know what I'm saying? We are back for the first build of 2021. Yes, beautiful people, we are back. We are out here and we are doing what we do, which is making palette builds and gardening satisfaction, okay? Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe because we do transform palettes into wonderful creations, and we also do talk about different gardening things. And it just so happened that in this video, we are merging the two, because out of a palette I am creating a container holder, and this is not just a regular situation because I've done so many before. Like, I've done 2-tier, I've done 3-tier, I've done single tier, but this one is a single tier, and it's not for myself in this case. It is actually for a family friend, a church member, a loving member of my oh so dear community, and I'm so excited that I get to do this for her. So she doesn't know that I'm doing it for her. I'm actually doing it with her husband, and so, you know, it's pleasurable, it's fun, and all that good stuff. So make sure you stick to the end so you can see us deliver it to her, give it to her, and present it to her, right? And she also is an avid watcher of the channel, so it'd be cool to get a video with her, you know, just saying thank you for her support. You know, we're going into the new year showing love, showing that we care, and just, you know, bringing smiles and all that good stuff. So I am oh so excited for what this year has to offer and all that good stuff. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and build this bad boy. I'm gonna try something different with the screws. I'm gonna try to like sink the screw. Okay, this is something new for 2021. Sunken screws. Okay, I'm going for a nice, clean, flush look. Okay, it's something new. Okay, we have to do something new, especially in the beginning, especially the first. So why not do that? Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these bad boys. I will drop the measurement to this container garden in the description below so that you can have it. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm not gonna put it together. I will put it together at her home, but I will make sure every piece is the way I need it to be so that once I go there, it's just lay it out, put it together, set it up, present, tears, excitement, all captured on camera. Okay? Okay, let's go ahead and cut. Yeah! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we are off to cutting, which I am so happy with this project. I did not have to do much, if at all, any cuts for this build. Overall, I mean, I really didn't, but I will say that I am taking a smarter approach in 2021, as this is going into my second year of doing different wood builds and realizing that I don't have to measure out everything. If I cut the first piece right, I can use that as my piece of measurement going forward. So you'll see me not having to measure so many things with the measuring tape as I had to last year, right? Because I'm just getting a little bit better, so I say that to say, use the wood that you've already cut to allow that to be the piece of wood that you cut your other pieces from, because it breeds consistency. Okay, consistency goes a long way. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now that I have that part done, I have all my cuts from my legs to my sides to my lengths to my individual pallets that will have the buckets to sit on. You know, now I can do my sucking holes. Now you may be trying to figure out what is this sucking hole idea that Ricky is talking about, and when I show you, you may have a more proper name for what I am talking about, but nonetheless, sucking hole is what I am going for and going with, in which I will put these sucking holes on the outsides where I will drill in, and then again, so that when I get there, it is just easy, beep, 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 beep. Good to go, happy smiles, happy person. Okay, so nonetheless, I am going to go ahead and create the holes. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll go to the house and we'll put it up. I'm so excited. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my outside pieces, and of course these pieces will go like on the side of the container, top and bottom. What I am talking about with the sunken hole is just getting this drill bit like this, and yep, this will be fine. Just go in like so. That's plenty. Keep it the same. Alright, I don't necessarily have to go too deep. Again, so when I have my screw, it'll just go down and be flush. It'll be just nice and flush, which when I get to the house, it'll again make sense as to what I just did, and it'll make sense why I did what I did. And then as I do my other builds this year, I'll do it more often, and then maybe it'll catch on. All right, great people, now that part is done, stucco holes are done. Now it's time to load up this wood, go over to the house, put it together, and make somebody smile, okay? So let's go over there and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Join the family, yeah. All right, so we are finally out here. As you can see, my clothing has changed, largely because this wonderful man right here. But nonetheless, I have made it out to the house where I will put together the container garden for my man, Mr. Lonnie, but more importantly for his wife, the lovely Miss Mel, which you will see later on when it's all done, okay? We're going to show her when it's all done. But nonetheless, thank you, Mr. Lonnie.
No, thank you.
I thank you for working with me finally. It's been a long time, but we made it. So nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and y'all will see it all done when it's finished, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, we have it all done, all complete. He did keep me good company. I gotta thank my man. You know, I will say that. He did offer his help.
No work.
He did offer his help, which, you know, I'm open to it, but I'm used to doing things by myself. So, you know, it was all good. His company was more than enough. But at the end of the day, now it's time to show his lovely wife her new container holder and to get her going now. Miss Alani, are you gonna help her in this gardening extravaganza?
I have no choice.
But it's gonna pay off because we do know Miss Mel knows how to cook wonderfully well, and so you'll have some fresh things that she will cook and you will know where it came from. So there's benefits to doing this.
Okay.
Okay? You not seeing it though?
I don't like the labor of it. I'm just being real.
Yes, being real is what you want. So, you know, without further ado, we have the lovely, oh so lovely, Miss Melody Johnson, the lady in which we did it for. Let me make sure that focus is on. Oh yeah, there we go, Miss Melody. The lovely Johnson family. You gotta love them. You all have seen her in the comments, but now you get to see her in person. But Miss Mel, with the love that we have these for you. Now, we're gonna get you going. We're gonna get you started now. I'm gonna make sure that the soil gets put in. We'll do that this week. And then, you know, as you want to do different things and grow different things, we'll make sure that it's in there, okay? Me and Mr. Lonnie.
Thank you so much.
Right, Mr. Lonnie?
Thank you, honey.
I feel like I'm under the bus right now.
But we're gonna do it together, and she's gonna cook what is grown,
Most
and you're gonna
definitely.
enjoy what she cooks.
I'm
You see how it goes
sure.
around?
I'm looking forward to it.
There you go. You see, it's full circle. You plant it, she picks it, she cooks it, you eat it,
There we go.
and then we plant it again.
Okay.
All
You see,
right.
that's a nice circle.
Yes, it is.
Right? Just like that, you too can have your own gardener container and all that good stuff. So, love you, beautiful people. See you next time. Peace. Love you.
Bye.
Woo.